So here at Campkins, we are running a whole series of workshops for photographers throughout the year. And one of them is around post-production. And we're delighted to have David Clapp deliver that workshop for us. How are you doing, David?
I'm fine, thank you very much. Good to be here.
Thanks for joining. Post-production, it's kind of after the matter, but no less important, surely. So tell us a bit about kind of why post-production.
Well, I think the main thing is that I want everyone to be able to understand that you concentrate on good photography, and then your post-production will take that good photography and raise it to exceptional photography. The idea is to be able to use the quickest route or the longest route, depending on which route you feel is necessary, but to have the tools and to have the application of being able to use this software without fear. That's the other thing I always find. People are quite scared of things. I'm a long-term, Lightroom user, and I also use Photoshop. But I'd say that I'm more unusual in the sense that my Lightroom use is a lot lower in percentage. I'm more of a Photoshop guy and always have been right from the offset. So I want to really educate people as to exactly how to use these pieces of software, how to be able to make the software work for you so that you really get the direction that you want to go down, because it's a real circle. In other words, idea, go out and capture it, and then post-process it equals more ideas, which then gets you to want to go out again, etc., etc. And I think if you don't concentrate enough on the post-processing, then it's not going to feed those ideas back in. So that's what I'm hoping to do, is to educate people of the circle of photography, should we call it?
Yeah, nice. I like that. Well, look, anyone who's interested in joining the workshops, then pop over to the link somewhere in this video and grab your ticket. Spaces will be limited, so make sure you go over there and get that ticket soon.